let's do this one. It's kind of involved, so I want to take my time and do step by step. The first thing I need to do is factor. So I'm going to work on this one first. So n squared plus n minus 12, that's going to be n plus 4 times n plus, oops, sorry, minus 3. And this one over here will be n plus 4 times n minus 5. So I factored. Now I need to find the least common denominator. So I've got n plus 4, and I have n minus 3. I already have n plus 4, so I don't need that one, but I do need that n minus 5. So that's my new denominator. So I factored, and now I'm going to find what I need. This side is missing this. This side is missing this. So here's what I have to do to fix it. My new and improved model will look like 3n times n minus 5 minus n plus 6 times, that's the one I'm missing, n minus 3. And all of that is over n plus 4, n minus 3, n minus 5. Again, a lot of this is just good housekeeping and keeping things tidy and straight and watching your signs. So let's take a look at what happens when we do the math. 3n times n, so 3n squared. 3n times negative 5 minus 15n. And then here I have minus n times n, n squared. And I'm putting these in parentheses because I want to deal with this subtraction issue in a minute. Anyway, n times n is n squared, so that's negative 3n, positive 6n, so that gives me positive 3n minus 18. And after I deal with this, I'll have 3n squared minus 15n minus n squared. And this is where it gets tricky, because this turns this into a negative, and this turns this into a positive. Okay, and after I do all of my housekeeping, I'm going to end up with, once I cancel out and combine like terms, I will end up with 2n squared minus 18n plus 18. I could pull the 2 out and end up with n, but it's still going to end up with something that's not factorable. And all of that is over n plus 4. Don't forget this. N minus 3 and n minus 5. So I factored, I found the missing piece, and I fixed it. Factor, find, and fix. And go ahead and copy this, and I'll meet you on the next objective.